guys, this is a bouquet, and this is 300 pesos only for one bouquet, and 300 is a lot of money, but from YouTube is this. That is one bouquet only. If you order two, it's gonna be 600.
PM is the fee. Message us here.
And message us here. Papakita ko na lang yung link natin dito. And this is a ipit. Ito ang ipit. 20 pesos kapag isa. Kapag gusto nyo magkapares, 35 pesos lang. At let's go view this. View this. See? Ito po. Sorry. Ito po guys. Lahat po yan. Lahat po po nito. 35 pesos lang po. And dito lang po yan guys. Dito lang po. And this is only these two. This is 20 pesos and 25 if magkapares. Ito pa. Ito pa lahat yan. Nasa link na lang po. This is a clip for your dami. Just like that. This is only talented potato. So it's in the link right now. So bye. And this is a keychain for your bag. This is all. This is the best seller. This is the best seller in the whole universe. Bye. See you tomorrow.